If you're traveling with an onboard toilet in your caravan, camper or RV, you'll need regular access to dump points for emptying the waste. Camping apps are a handy way to locate dump points along the way, especially when offline. Another option is the free Dump Points Near Me map with over 900 locations listed around Australia. To access the map, head to myrigadventures.com/dump-points-near-me. You can also find the link in the description box below. Next, scroll down to the interactive map. You can grab the map to move it around and zoom in and out to help find your location. Once you find a dump point near you, click on the red icon to bring up the details, which will appear on the left of the screen. From there you can see the name of the dump point, the features available and the street address. While most dump points are free, some may have a small fee for travelers who aren't camping on site but just want access to the dump point. You can see that some locations also offer facilities to top up your water, go to the toilet, empty the rubbish and stretch your legs. To find directions to the dump point you've chosen, copy the address, then click the right arrow to open up Google Maps. Paste the address into the directions search bar and hit enter. To search the state-by-state list for dump points, open up the menu by clicking on the top left button. From there you can scroll down to the state you're looking for and see each dump point listed in alphabetical order. If you want to include or exclude specific states, simply select or unselect the desired states using the ticks. To open up a full-screen view of the map, click the View Larger Map button in the top right-hand corner. This will bring up the larger map with the menu automatically showing down the left-hand side of the screen. Please note that this map includes most dump points that are available to the public, excluding caravan parks. For more caravanning tips, head to myrigadventures.com.